Barbie once said, I want to do the imagining, I don't want to be the idea. And this phrase really captures the heart of Barbie Adventure a call to dream, to explore, and to take imagination beyond its limits. It's about sparking curiosity and empowering every little children to lead their own journey, to see the world not as it is, but as it could be. Hi, we're team number one, composed by Mariana, Lynn, Johan, Fatima, Natalia, and Damjana, and this is Barbie Adventure.
Our design proposal is the Barbie Adventure, created for girls aged 7 to 12 and their mothers between 36 and 55, our most valuable segment. It's a hybrid doll that combines physical play with digital adventures through a connected app. The doll is also made from bioplastic and recycled fabrics, in line with Mattel's 2030 sustainability goals. It also features diverse looks to reflect inclusivity and encourages STEM curiosity, creativity, and outdoor exploration. Our data confirms that parents aged 36 to 55 spend the most on educational toys for kids, and that children from 7 to 12 prefer digital and inclusive dolls, making this concept both relevant and impactful.
Well, coming up with the next slide is well to be seen that the Barbie adventure perfectly aligns with today's market trends. First, the rise of artificial intelligence has revolutionized play with those which can tell stories and hold conversation for a better educational experience. This market is projected to reach over $20 billion this year only by introducing a smart backpack connected to an app that unlocks interactive missions which embrace AI trend and creates active off-screen learning while keeping the play experience connected to the real world. Moving on to the 3D printing, this technology is transforming how toys are made. It allows faster and more efficient prototyping, helping us develop new dolls quickly while reducing material waste compared to traditional manufacturing. Finally, sustainability stands at the core of the project. Through plant based plastic, recycled fabrics, and energy efficient production, Barbie Adventure aligns with the consumer expectation and global environmental goals, following Mattel's goal to use only recycled or bio based plastic by 2030.
From 2022 to 2025, the doll category has faced a big loss globally. This is because symbolic play has changed into digital play. Global sales in this category decreased by 16% in North America in the second quarter of 2025, and this is because there are changes in cultural preferences nowadays, and it is important to take this into account to stay relevant and competitive in the market. Unstable policies affect toy pricing and production. Sales depend on consumer income and material costs. There has been an increase of demand to include diversity in toys and dolls. Technologically, digital play plays an important role nowadays. Environmentally, there is pressure to reduce plastic waste and to increment the adoption of sustainable practices, and legally, there are strict laws and safety standards.
To further analyze the company, we used a SWOT analysis. For strengths, we saw strong brand recognition, wide range of products, and strong retail networks. For weaknesses, we saw they could be easy to imitate because of low technology and also has some bad connotations with beauty standards. On to opportunities, we could use technologies like AI and also build an ecosystem that mixes physical play with digital play. For the threats, we saw that the new way of playing of kids with more technology could be a threat to our physical dolls. Also, competitors are making a threat. Big companies like Hasbro could take market share. Also, new companies could imitate their product and make a similar one and also take away market share from us.
Based on our statistical analysis, the most valuable market segment for Barbie is women aged 36 to 55, mainly living in Mexico City and the state of Mexico, which represents about 59% of the respondents. The chi-square test shows a strong association between being a parent and interest in purchasing, as well as between gender and Barbie buying behavior. Overall, 81% of the respondents were female, and 62% of women showed purchase intent, confirming that mothers are the key buyers. These insights guided us to focus towards parents investing in educational, inclusive, and sustainable toys for their kids.
Our value proposition for Barbie Adventure is that it's the first Barbie experience that blends physical play with digital exploration, inspiring curiosity, learning, and empowerment through fun, accessible adventures for all our target market. Barbie Adventure differentiates itself by transforming traditional play, which is not wrong, but play transforms it into an interactive, learning-driven journey with the app, empowering the next generation to explore, learn, and dream boldly, both in the real and digital worlds, also learn about their planet and about what they can do to save it. These are some examples of the app interface in the ocean world, jungle world, and space world. We try to make it fun, easy to use, and really intuitive. Barbie Adventure promotes active learning and curiosity, not just appearance or fantasy, creating a deeper emotional and educational bond between child and doll.
Now moving to a financial scenario, the production cost of each doll is 494 Mexican pesos and our target price is 599. With this setup, our break-even point is reached by almost 8,000 units. We also consider three possible scenarios. The pessimistic one with 6,500 units, a negative ROI of 11.9%, and a loss of half a million pesos. And the base scenario, we have 10,000 units sold, a ROI of 21%, and a generation profit of nearly 1 million pesos. And the last, the optimistic, with 13,500 units sold, a 44% ROI, and a profit of over 2 million pesos. Overall, even with a conservative approach, the numbers show strong potential for Barbie Adventure in the market.
BBVA offers a sustainable business loan that offers covering costs like material, machinery, and marketing with an interest rate of 14.5%. The risks are if the rate increases, if the new doll doesn't perform as well, and since Mattel operates in US dollars, if the exchange rate changes, it will be harder to repay.
Okay, well, first of all, the product. As stated before, this product bases on three different versions, which is the real Barbie doll, the backpack bundles that will help with the theme adventures, and the app where the children will play and pass the levels. All these products are eco friendly materials made. And then we have the price that is expected to be 599 pesos, targeting the mid to premium range that will reflect also all this innovation in sustainable materials. And they could be bought in different bundles, such as the single doll and the single backpack, or a doll in a backpack, and many more. They're expected to be sold on major toy retails and online stores, as well as having interactive in stores displays where kids can test the product before buying it, and the app that will be available for iOS and Android. Lastly, the promotion is planned to be two different marketing strategies. The first one will focus on platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, since nowadays that's what kids see and that's how they are driven to buy something, and they can be engaging videos of other kids completing these missions, as well as interactive pop-ups either on parks or malls where they can create different adventures and as well buy the product.
To implement our marketing strategy, we will firstly use social media. This is because our buyer persona is using a lot of social media. We can also use targeted marketing to further narrow it down who sees the information, so it's closer to our buyer persona. We'll also use pop-ups in, for example, parks and science centers. This is because we can reach our user persona there. The kids are not on social media, but there we can spark their interest in the product so they can tell the parent that they want the doll.
Our sustainability strategy focuses on three areas: environmental, social, and economic. Environmentally, the Barbie Adventure is made from bioplastic and recycled fabrics with 100% recyclable packaging and modular parts to extend lifespan and to reduce waste. Socially, it promotes diversity and empowerment through inclusive design and encourages creative outdoor play for balanced child development. Economically, local production in Latin America supports regional jobs and reduces transport emissions, and the product's durability promotes responsible consumption. Together, these efforts align with Mattel's 2030 sustainability goals and UN's SDGs 4, 5, and 12, creating a positive impact socially, economically, and environmentally.